This is how millions of cakes are made every single day inside a modern factory. From raw ingredients to perfectly decorated cakes moving at high speed. Watch closely because this entire process is fully automated.
Intake pressure looks good on silo 1. All right, keep it steady. We're almost filled.
Raw ingredients like flour, sugar, and liquids are delivered in bulk. Each ingredient is measured precisely to ensure consistent quality. Everything is blended into smooth batter using industrial mixers. The batter is transferred to automated depositing machines. Each tray is filled evenly with controlled portions of cake batter. Trays enter large ovens where baking begins under controlled heat. The cakes rise as heat transforms the batter into soft structure. Freshly baked cakes are cooled to stabilize their structure. Cakes are carefully removed from trays without damage. Each unit is inspected and prepared for the next stage. Cakes are sliced into layers for filling. Cream is added evenly between each layer. Outer surfaces are coated and smoothed precisely. Decorative toppings are applied in uniform patterns. Finished cakes are cut into uniform portions where needed. Each cake is placed onto individual packaging trays. Protective covers are added to preserve freshness. Labels are applied with product and batch information. Packaged cakes are grouped for bulk distribution. Cartons are filled and sealed automatically. Pallets are stacked and secured for transport. Products are stored in organized warehouse systems. Orders are picked and prepared for shipment.
All right, easy back. Keep it coming straight. And stop. Set the brake.
Pallets are loaded into delivery trucks. Products are transported to distribution centers. Cakes arrive at retail locations ready for sale. Cakes are stocked onto store shelves for customers. Shoppers select products based on freshness and presentation. Each cake is scanned and purchased at checkout.
There you go. Have a nice day. There you go. Have a nice day.
From factory to table, the process is complete.